And students, this is Gia. Our next topic is modals of probability. Modals of probability means how probable or likely you think it is that something will happen, or the person who is speaking thinks that something will happen. It really depends on the evidence and how sure the speaker is. Here are some examples. The question is she home? What's the evidence? Statement number one, she's home. You're 100% sure. I know she's home. She must be home. Well, 95% sure. I see the lights are on, so I'm pretty sure that she's home. She could be home. Not quite so sure. Her car is parked in the driveway, but she could have taken the bus. She may be home. Well, 50-50. 50% sure, it's possible. She might be home, a little bit less possible. Her car is gone, but maybe her husband has it. Now, if you say she can't be home, that means you really don't think so. You're 5% sure that she's home. I don't believe she's home. Or if you say she isn't home, you're 100% sure. I'm sure she's not home. Well, here are a few examples. So here's a house on the left. All the lights are on. Well, are they home? You can say they must be home. That means you think they only leave the lights on if they're home. They might be home means, well, those are Christmas lights. Sometimes they have the lights on when nobody's home. Now, in the next picture on the top, there are a lot of cars. You can say, they must be home because look at all the cars. Or you can say, they might be home, maybe they're having a party. Or you could say, they could be home, it seems pretty likely. And the last house there, all boarded up, you can say, no, they're not at home. You're 100% sure nobody lives in that house. Here's another example. Is it going to rain? You can say, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. That's your evidence. You say, those clouds are rain clouds. I am sure it's going to rain. Or, the weather forecast said 40% chance of rain at 4 p.m. It's 3 o'clock now. It could start raining soon. You're not so sure, but you're pretty sure. Or, we usually don't get rain at this time of year, but the TV said there was a 30% chance. It might rain today. Less sure, not so sure about the forecast on TV. Or here's the last sentence. It's August in Southern California. The forecast is 85 degrees and sunny. It's not going to rain. You are 100% sure. Well, what do you think of this picture? Are they happy? They must be happy. They're smiling. They may be happy. They might be happy. You can say, no, they're just pretending. Or you can say, no, they can't be happy. They look poor. How can they be happy? It's all a question of what the speaker thinks. Here's a nice quote from Alan Greenspan, the former chair of the U.S. Federal Reserve. They handle the major money of the country. And he said, people don't realize that we cannot forecast the future. What we can do is have probabilities of what causes what, but that's as far as we can go. And then there's Mark Twain, a famous U.S. novelist and statesman who said, there are three types of lies: lies, damn lies, and statistics. Mark Twain was a humorist. Well, here's a sign. It's from Texas. It says, hurricane warning. You see those pink clouds over there? Ooh, that doesn't look so good. Will there be a hurricane? There might be a hurricane. There could be a hurricane. There is going to be a hurricane. We can decide what we believe by changing the modals. And that's the end of my little presentation.